This is how you avoid Mpox based on WHO. You've probably heard about Mpox na kumakalat sa Pilipinas. Mpox is formally called monkeypox, a viral disease that has a notable rash that begins with a flat, red lesions na mukhang pimples lang sa mukha at sa katawan. Then eventually, it will progress to pustules or parang pimple na may nana, and then scabs. Kumakalat ang sakit na to via skin-to-skin contact with lesions or body fluids from an infected person. It can also be transmitted via kissing, sexual intercourse, respiratory droplets, and contaminated surfaces, like beddings and clothing. So let's apply the lessons learned from COVID-19 to prevent further spread of Mpox. Maghugas ng kamay lagi, gumamit ng alcohol or alcohol-based sanitizer. Since Mpox can also be spread through respiratory droplets, consider wearing face masks and avoid close